Kelly is well known for flying missions to the International Space Station 250 miles above Earth. Well, today, a U of A spacecraft took its next steps 200 million miles away from our planet.
Yeah, Osiris-Rex grabbed a sample of the asteroid Bennu, which scientists hope will explain how early life formed. Here's 9 on your side's Craig Smith.
University of Arizona scientists designed Osiris-Rex for the most challenging game of tag ever. After sizing up the asteroid Bennu for about 2 years, the spacecraft eased in for a touch that lasted less than 5 seconds. University of Arizona planetary scientist Dante Loretta has worked on the mission for 16 years. He leads it now. The 200 million mile distance created an 18-minute communications gap, too long for any human to steer the spacecraft. So Loretta had to trust Osiris-Rex sensors and programming to guide it in.
We're going in. We're going in. Touchdown declared.
All right.
Sampling is in progress. A little overwhelmed right now, Michelle, I have to say. It's been pretty intense several minutes here. I can tell you that everything went just exactly perfect, which is kind of the hallmark of this team.
But this team found Bennu was an even bigger challenge than they anticipated.
Looking at the images more closely, it was like, oh, this is not what we expected at all. How are we going to deal with that?
They expected an asteroid like a sandy beach, where a sample would be easy to vacuum up and there would be few dangerous obstacles to dodge. When Osiris-Rex flew closer, they saw boulders as big as buildings. Anjani Pollard helped lead the team that found a site where a spacecraft the size of a large passenger van could steer itself past the dangers and safely grab a sample. But the team and the spacecraft have more challenges ahead. Osiris-Rex still has a 3-year trip home to Earth to safely deliver the samples. Craig Smith, KGUN 9 on your side.
So exciting. We should see actual video of the sample grab tomorrow. We saw simulations today because Osiris-Rex needed to devote all of its data capacity to actually grabbing the sample. We should know how much material it was able to grab sometime this week.